Wake up, Ben. I am sleepy. We are late. Oh, no. Hurry up. I am brushing. Be faster. Okay. I am hungry. Eat fast. This is good. Finish now. Do you have your bag? Yes. Check again. Okay. Walk faster. I try. Good. We are here. Finally. Go inside. Okay. Sit properly. I am ready. Listen carefully. Yes, yes. I want to play. Be careful. I run fast. Watch out! This is fun! Do not fall. I am okay. Good. I am hungry again. Eat slowly. This is tasty. Yes. School is over. Yes. Go home. Yay! Today was fun. Yes. I learned a lot. Good job. I am tired. Me too. Good night. Good night. Let's do homework. Now? Yes, now. I am tired. Where is your notebook? Ben? I forgot it. You forgot it? Yes. At school? I think so. We go back. Now? Yes, hurry. Oh, no. I feel scared. Stay close. It is dark. I am here. The gate is closed. What now? Think. There is another way. Really? Follow me. Okay. So quiet. Be careful. Oh, I hear something. It is just wind. The door is open. That is scary. Stay behind me. Okay. Wait. What? What is in your bag? My notebook? Where is my notebook? Check your desk. I see it. Good. Oh no, you have it. I carried it all day. I am so silly. Very silly. Big mistake. Funny mistake. Let's go home. Yes. No more mistakes. Good. What a day. Crazy day. And funny. Very funny. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I feel so tired. Me too. Today was crazy. Yes, very crazy. Let's finish homework. Again? Yes, last part. Okay. I understand now. Good job. Thank you. You are welcome. The sky is beautiful. Yes, it is. I feel calm. Me too. Time to sleep. Okay. Brush your teeth. Yes. I am very sleepy. Almost done. Good. Finish soon. Good night, Anna. Good night, Ben. See you tomorrow. See you. Again. Again. Good habit. No mistake today. Great. I am ready. Very good. Let's go. Let's go. I feel happy. Me too. No problem today. Hopefully. I am ready to learn. Good attitude. No forgetting. Perfect. Learn every day. Oh. Be responsible. Check your things. Be happy.